Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a portable gas cooker. Let's see what's inside the card casing. So this portable gas cooker comes with this and this. So now I'll show you how to use it. First, so in order to use this stove, you have to get the butane gas in any convenience store. So I'll teach you how to use it. First, open the tray, then open the butane gas cap. So this is the cap. So use here. We put it inside that, facing up, and the tape. Put it in. Close the tray and lock it, and then slowly turn, and it's on. So you can adjust your fire minimum. Slowly turn and keep out of it. Turn it off. There's a few things you need to know before you use the stove, so please read it before you use it. So that's all for today. See you next time.